Hey guys, it's your girl Nurse B and welcome back to my YouTube channel. First off, I want to start off by saying Happy New Year! It's going to be a reinstall / 3-month update on this hair that I am rocking from ALIPEARL. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned. This is the final look. I think I'm just gonna leave it down, honestly, because I really love the slick look of it being down. This is my final review on the hair. So to be honest, I ordered this is 18 inches, and honestly I feel like it's a little longer than 18 inch because it's below my boobs. It's very full, and as you can see, look at how shiny and healthy the hair looks. And all I did was just add a little flyaway just to lay my flyaways. That was it, and honestly it's since then the hair has been intact. And for the video I was just like, I want you guys to see how I rock this hair. This hair is literally, you plop it on your head and you literally go. And when I tell you that the quality of the hair is amazing, I want to say this is their 13 by 4 or 6. As you can see, the parting space is pretty deep. Okay, this is how deep far the parting space is. So, and it goes all the way back to here. So let's talk about customer service. Customer service with ALIPEARL, for me, I had no issues. What I do like about them is as soon as you order the hair, they are quick to send your confirmation email just to verify your address and make sure that the product you ordered is what you really ordered. And I like that. I like the fact that before they go and ship anything out, or before they go, okay, confirmed, they go like, just to make sure, is this the right address that we are sending it to? So, next, costs. The hair was affordable. It's not expensive. Trust me, I've ordered expensive hair which I did not like, and I will tell you hands down, this hair is very budget friendly. When I got the hair, I don't think it came in a box. So lately I've been noticing, this happened twice. I ordered from another company too. I've noticed that they're not, they only put the hair in the little satin bag, so they're not really shipping the hair in a box where you'll have it. So I didn't get anything with the hair. It's fine. Does this hair shed? Yes, it is. It's a wig. It's going to shed. Does it shed excessively? No, I did not get any excessive shedding on the hair. So for me, I feel like the shedding wasn't too bad. But you have to understand too, I colored, I bleached the knots, you know, experience some shedding, but like I said, nothing excessive. Sometimes people talk about, like, you know, getting they receive the hair and for some reason there's like a weird smell. I never experienced that in any with this hair. I didn't experience any weird smells, so I'm not sure what that is about, but I didn't get any weird smells. But for me too, I never put the hair right on my head. I always wash, deep condition. I do like a whole thing just to, like, you know, disinfect my part. Say if you are looking for hair on a budget, I would suggest getting this hair. I'm not just saying, oh my god, get this hair. I'm not getting anything out of it. I feel like the quality of this hair is amazing. It's my first time ordering from them. I know I already a lot of people have been asking me, where do you get your hair, where do you get your hair from? And I've already recommended this hair to other people that I know, and they said the same thing. The hair is amazing. The hair washed and lightly blow dry. When I tell you I am loving it, I am loving this hair. So comment down below and let me know, have you ever ordered any hair from ALIPEARL, and if so, what was your thought about the hair? And let me know if you want another video of how you know, other styles I can do with this hair, because I feel like this hair, there's so much you can do to it. So let me know, do you want to see me like curl this hair up? But like, comment down below, let me know, have you ever purchased from ALIPEARL? Is there any other hair that you want me to review for you? Because this is what I'm here to do. So just let me know, comment down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to hit that subscribe. Until next time, it's your girl Nurse B. Bye.